Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this user has not published any videos on TikTok. So guys, if you're looking for videos on a profile but you are unable to see any video on TikTok profile, here I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply make it sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check your internet connection and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply update your TikTok to the latest version. So guys, simply go to your App Store or Play Store and search here for TikTok, and then you have to simply download and install the latest version of TikTok app on your device. And if there is any update available for you, simply update it. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply clear cache of your TikTok app from your device for one time. So I simply clear cache, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the TikTok support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. And if the problem is still there, then hopefully the person whom you are trying to search on TikTok has not published any video on TikTok, and there is no video on TikTok of that account. So guys, basically the person has removed all the videos from his profile, or the problem is that he has hidden all the content on his TikTok profile. So guys, this can be the problem, and if the problem is still there, then hopefully it will be fixed within 24 hours. And that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.